So today we've had a planting project at the Cancer Centre site where we invited our young ambassadors on site to plant some flowers, some herb plants that have been kindly donated by lots of local businesses, including B&Q Caerphilly. It's been wonderful to invite the children on site, some of whom have never seen Felindra in person. So to get them on site, to allow them to speak to their peers and other parents who are going through the same experience as them has been really special. They all have a different connection with Felindra, and I think they really understand the impact they're having by planting these flowers, by brightening up these green spaces and giving our staff and patients and visitors somewhere where they can relax and really enjoy their time when they're on site.
Felindra has saved so many people, and they've helped my friends and my family, and they're just really good.
Since my mum suffered from cancer, I decided to help the community for fundraising money.
My great-grandfather was treated here, and when he passed away I wanted to do something that would help me and my family remember him. So I started raising money for Felindra.
A couple of years ago, my uncle passed away of cancer, and it just raised my skills and knowledge to know more about cancer and to help people. I became a Felindra ambassador because my granddad has bowel cancer and someone else has breast cancer.
Rydw i'n ambassador oherwydd oedd dau pobl bwysig iawn I fi wedi mynd gyda cancer. So roedd fi eisiau dod ambassador I helpu pobl sydd hwnna'n mynd I stopio beth I stopio hwnna digwydd I nhw.
So we've had the best day with the young ambassadors. They've come along to the Staff Wellbeing Centre and they've planted up loads of different herbs and flowers for everyone to enjoy over the next few months.
I'm with my daughter today, Avyakta, to support the fundraising team and young ambassadors to plant and do the gardening today for the Felindra Hospital. It makes a difference for the staff as well in terms of creating this environment, especially what the staff have gone through during the pandemic. They need this environment for them to come and sit here to get some peace of mind.
So there's lots of people to thank for today. The sustainability team, lots of on-site staff who have really rallied around to make this day possible. We've had Ray of Light Cancer Support Group that have provided outstanding support for these young people through activities and goodie bags and advice. And also to the young ambassadors themselves and the parents who have taken the time out their summer holidays to come here today. They've raised a staggering amount of money in the last 2 years through the relaunch of the programme, and today they continue to give through their time, their efforts and their planting skills, which is brilliant. So thank you to everyone who's made this day possible, and I'm sure the staff, patients and visitors will reap the benefits.